anapoingia kwenye studio ina nafasi ambayo wote tutaruhusu wachache waweze kuingia. Asante sana, turuhusu wachache. Asante sana kwa kuelimisha, asante sana Rukazeli, asante sana Waramboho, asante sana kwa kuelimisha, asante sana kwa kuelimisha, asante sana Rukazeli, asante sana Waramboho, asante sana
Yes, for the recording, Your Excellency, on that other side is where we have the booth. So this is more of a booth, so we can close this door for a moment. We're turning the analysis. So once the artist is here, the sound here is controlled. There's no echo. You can he's just speaking and being illustrated by the producer on what to do.
Yes.
So they sing and then he of course now produces. Yes, he now produces. Right? Yes, Your Excellency.
So you do a bit of aeration.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, you need to
see
if it's an all-time session.
Yeah.
Somebody can suffocate it.
That's true, Your Excellency. We'll be able to do that. We'll be able to do that. And Daktari is the one who...
So yeah, we just need more mics and a stool for those who play instruments.
Yes, but again, I'm just thinking loudly, as Daktari just mentioned, is that aeration.
Yes. The chief officer is here. They are doing a requisition for AC.
Why is the chief officer?
I think she's there.
Fungua tu hiyo mlango.
Yeah, so through Irene's one, the request she's going to order for an AC, two of them here and the other side.
And again, even if it's that way, you must be able to provide something like circulation.
The AC works at circulation. Because if we open, then we'll affect the sound.
But you like the gypsum?
I don't like them so much, but it's good work. Yeah, but it's a good thing. I can tell you, I'm happy. This thing is one of the very famous local
Absolutely. But we also want to have a talent search to the sub-counties so that we can have a few that
coming here, everybody wants.
Yes.
The first man.
Yes.
And the best model that even I've seen it work with the other counties, Your Excellency, is let the artists produce for free.
Yes.
But now telling them, and then we take them for a class to tell them how do you make now these, how do you make money of the project. So we help them resell. So from now the reselling is now where now we can start thinking of sustainability. So production for free. Then once they resell, we can say either because the volume has to be sustainable. Maybe it says now from that they will take 20%. That is after they sell.